Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for my superfood, which is such an interesting term, lunch bowl, I've just got a bowl of salad leaves, baby spinach, rocket, kale, and then I'm going to get some homemade pate on top. So I usually use like a whole jar, which is a couple of 100 grams of pate, which is a lot of liver. You might not like to use that much. It's up to you how hungry you are. And liver really is like one of the most nutritious foods ever. So if I'm ever feeling low on iron, feeling a bit tired, like I haven't been eating that well, this is my go-to, like for really knowing that I'm covering all my nutritional bases. I'm just going to scatter over some walnuts, so just a couple of handfuls of kind of roasted walnuts, and that just adds some crunch and texture because otherwise it's very smooth with all that creamy pate on there, so just to give it a bit of bite and make it a bit more substantial. And then I usually finish it with a bit of sauerkraut on the side. I always have sauerkraut in the fridge, and it's great for just adding some freshness and zest, but also adding some probiotics. And that is my go-to superfoods lunch at the moment. I love it. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.